Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a mobility wheelchair accessible van like most all our vans. And we'll get right to the conversion. This is a side entry manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Manual sliding door, slides right open. This ramp here is spring assisted, and you can see I can grab it with one finger and I can take this to the ground using just my index finger. I just do this to show you how lightweight the ramp is. I do tell our customers if you can pick up a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. The ramps are about 30 inches wide, have a 56-inch clearance coming inside the van, 58 inches inside the van. So yes, this van is ADA compliant. It does have the hard plastic carbon fiber floors. They did a nice job, whoever had this previously, of painting this ramp a nice gray. They also did a nice job of getting some of it on the floor. Not the way I would have done it, but so there's a couple small paint spots on the floor. Does not affect the functionality of the van at all. Just wanted to show it to you. Rear seat looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. I don't know what they did over here, but it's got a little paint over there. So stuff's not real noticeable unless I show it to you because it's all low to the ground. Removable front seats. You could, in theory, remove the front seat, put a wheelchair there and one here, so you can hold two at a time. Does have the tie-down tracks. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie-downs away with each van. Headliner's in great shape. You can see it has the rear air control, so your passengers in the rear can get some air. The dash is nice and clean. I don't see any cracks or scratches or anything major going on with the dash. Does have the dual climate control. Driver can be one temperature, the passenger can be a second temperature, and your passengers in the rear can actually be a third temperature, so you can have 3 climates going on in this van at a time. When you've got all your passengers secure, you come back out, grab the ramp, reverse the process. Again, folds right back up. Very easy to do, very fast. You don't have to sit there and wait on it like you would a electric ramp and door. Do a walk around on the van. The tires are all in fair condition, certainly not brand new. There's no wires or anything popping out of them, but this van will need tires eventually in the future. Overall, the body's pretty clean. I don't see any signs of any major dents or any major scratches or anything. I know it has a few signs of normal wear, but overall I think the body looks pretty good. You can tell by the pictures. It also has the tinted windows. Keep you nice and cool in the summertime. Also give you a little bit of privacy. I do see a little blemish right here. The paint's kind of popping up. Looks like they had a few touch-up paint spots. The paint doesn't match exactly. It's not horrible. As you can see when I step back, it's not super noticeable, but whoever did the touch-up on this van definitely was not a professional. But hey, at least they were trying, right? I do see a few small door dings up here. 1, 2, maybe a third and fourth. Yeah, so again, it's not a perfect van, but it's a nice van. The interior is odor-free. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any cigarette burns. Does have the one key for the keyless entry. Also has what I believe would be the owner's manual inside there as well. Pretty clean interior. Also want to give you a good shot of the VIN number there. The camera will focus in on that for me. There we go. There's a good view of the VIN number. When I go to turn the van on, you can see the current miles are... radio works. Current miles are 134,866. All the dummy lights work, check engine light, everything all works. Showing us we have a low tire, so we'll definitely check that out. That just popped on when I was over here doing that. So 134,866, no dummy lights, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Let's pop the hood so you can look underneath the van. Underneath the hood has a 3.3 V6. And as you can see as we look, no signs of any leaks that I can see. No signs of any damage. It idles smoothly. Underneath the van looks pretty solid. I don't see any signs of any major rust. I definitely see some surface rust, which is to be expected on a van that's almost 10 years old now. So it looks pretty solid underneath. Everything looks good to me. I don't see anything that would cause any inspection issues or anything dangerous. You know, no matter who you buy from, I hope you buy from us. Have them go out and make a video like this for you. Know who you're buying from. And when you buy from us, you're buying from Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business almost 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have a very good reputation. We go out and make these videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. Folks, I cannot stress this enough. Don't buy from a company that doesn't have a good reputation. Don't buy from just some fly-by-night company or just someone you find on the internet with no reputation to keep up. You can get swindled very easily that way. Buy from a company with a good reputation. So let's get the van out on the highway. I want you to hear it run. Before I do that, I want to show you we have tested all the power mirrors, power windows. This is not some van you come look at it and it's got a bunch of issues that we didn't tell you about. That's not how we do business. Radio works, air conditioner works. So let's get the van on the highway. I want you to listen to it run. Okay, the last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway. My goal is to give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, listen to the transmission shift, and see that these vans are roadworthy. The van gets up to almost 70 miles an hour, no problems. I'm going to back it off, set the cruise control about 65. The cruise control works great. The van runs and drives real nice down the highway. The steering wheel's not jumping back and forth, so the tires appear to be in balance. It's a real smooth ride. I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Be sure to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive feedback ratings on eBay and 0 negative feedback ratings? Because we do. Have their vehicles been inspected by an ASC certified mechanic with a list of receipts and repairs? Because ours have. Do they have, or can they offer help with shipping? Because we own a shipping brokerage, we can help you with very affordable shipping. Do they get out and crawl around on the ground and make videos so you can see exactly what you're getting? Because we do. Do they have hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? They add a whole bunch of money on at the end? Because we don't. That is not how we do business. So I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake here. No squeaking, no grinding, no unusual vibration. The van appears to brake just fine. So when you compare us, when you compare our service, when you compare our reputation, and when you compare the price of our van, no one can compete with Affordable Mobility Solutions. So if you would ever like to come check out one of our vehicles, please always call and make an appointment first. I know your time is valuable. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. We don't want to miss you. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Call and make an appointment with us if you can. Also, check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And if you're not sure if you want to buy a van sight unseen, call us. We can put it on a truck and trailer. We can bring it out to you. You know, whether you're in Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Dallas, St. Louis, we cannot work for free, but we can work for a reasonable rate. So call us. Let's work it out. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.